Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the frustrating issue of Google Chrome's full screen mode not working properly. If you've ever hit F11 or tried to maximize Chrome to enjoy a distraction-free browsing experience only to have it ignore your commands or just refuse to cooperate, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tackle the problem step by step, so you can get right back to browsing, streaming, or presenting without anything getting in your way. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. I know this might sound obvious, but sometimes we overlook the basics. Plus, some fixes really only work once Chrome is up and running. Go ahead and double-click the Chrome icon on your desktop, or search for it in your Start menu or dock if you're on a macOS. Wait for it to fully load up before moving to the next step. Alright, now let's try our first method to get full screen working again. Here's what you're going to do. On your keyboard, hold down the Shift key, and with that still held down, go to your taskbar, where the Chrome icon is. Then right-click on the Chrome icon in the taskbar while still holding Shift. A special context menu will pop up. This menu gives you advanced window management options that you don't usually see. From this menu, click on Maximize. Let's slow down for a second here. Sometimes Chrome gets confused about its window size, especially if you've been using multiple monitors or docking and undocking your laptop. By using this method, we're essentially forcing Chrome to snap itself to the full size of your screen, overriding any hidden glitches that might be preventing full screen mode from working normally. Once you've clicked Maximize, give Chrome a moment to adjust itself. If you notice that it still doesn't want to go full screen or it only stretches part way, don't worry. That's where our second method comes in, and it's super simple. With Chrome in focus, press the F11 key on your keyboard. This is the universal shortcut for toggling full screen mode in most browsers, including Chrome. After you press F11, your browser should instantly expand and cover the entire screen, hiding the tabs, toolbars, and even the Windows taskbar. It almost feels like you're at the movies. Everything else fades away except for the web page you're focused on. If nothing happens when you hit F11, pause and check your keyboard. On some laptops, you might need to hold down the FN key along with F11 if your function keys are set up for special features. If that's the case, just press FN plus F11 instead. To exit full screen mode and return to your regular view, simply press F11 again. It's just as easy to get out as it is to jump in. You'll see your tabs, bookmarks bar, and taskbar all pop right back into place. And that's it. With these quick steps, you should have Chrome's full screen mode working smoothly again. If it still isn't behaving, consider restarting Chrome or even your computer. Sometimes a quick reboot makes all the difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want help with other Chrome issues. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.